So we finally arrived to Putawan Resort in Railay Beach, and look at this view. So beautiful. My dad just said like, oh look at that bush, it's so beautiful. And I'm like, which one? Please tell me. So yeah, we're just gonna eat now, and today we're just gonna relax because honestly we have been non-stop the last few weeks. So there's actually monkeys everywhere, and if you see over there, people are climbing those rocks. Can we just talk about this drink I got? Oh my god. Look how big it is. Finally got my food, pad thai and an omelette. Wait, oh yeah, there we go. What's that?
Nam tok.
Hi guys, so today we're going to the beach, Railay Beach. I think we're going to the East Railay Beach. It's gonna be so much fun, and I'm gonna get tan finally, because we have literally been traveling in Thailand for almost 2.5 weeks, and I have not got any tan because we're doing all these activities, and he's already tan, so he don't care about me. He don't care about my tan. But today I'm getting tan.
Let's go!
So after going to the wrong beach, walking, I think like 40 minutes. They say that it's 30 minutes, it may be, but it was so hard that I thought it was like 50. We're finally arrived, and it's absolutely breathtaking. Like, I recommend it to the fullest. It's so beautiful. We've been swimming a little bit, having some fun. If you're gonna go, you may want to go when the tide is a little bit higher. Yeah, so you should probably go when the tide has come in. And we came around like 11-12, right? Yeah, 11-12. And then it was perfect. Look at this. Finally arrived. We're in Phi Phi. Woo, woo. It looks amazing, but I'm so hungry right now. So we had just sat down, getting some food, and look at what this boy bought. Big ass chicken leg and some noodle soup. Is it good? I'm having that later tonight, but I just ate to McDonald's, to be honest, so I can't be eating more right now. Oh my god, that looks so good! Hello, you guys. So we're going to take a boat today, a private boat, to see the islands around Phi Phi, Maya Bay and all that stuff. We didn't go early this morning because frankly we're hungover from yesterday. And I didn't bring the camera yesterday because I was afraid I was gonna lose it, because I don't trust myself. So yeah, now we're heading out on a boat and we're really excited. Yeah. It's our last tropical day, so until we're heading back to Bangkok and then going home again. So we're super excited and we're gonna take advantage to the fullest. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi guys, so today we have had so far the best day in Phi Phi. Is it Phi Phi or Phi Phi? Phi Phi. Phi Phi. Yeah, okay. So the best day in Phi Phi so far. We have been visiting islands, we have been, what have we done? We've gone around a little bit, and now we're eating the best Thai food I have found in Phi Phi, because everything is so touristy and everything has been made for tourists. So we found authentic Thai food. I think the name of the restaurant is Chef Kai, and it's really good. We almost ate everything, but you can see like quickly. So we have the Pad Krapao, Pad Thai, cashew nuts, stir-fried cashew nuts with chicken, papaya salad. What's your name?
Gang Sum.
Gang Sum, and then we have some Tom Yum Gung. Yeah. So it's really good. And like, how cute is the restaurant? And when we came, there was no people. Like literally no people, but it's so good. So yeah, you should definitely go here. And the people are so nice. They don't understand much English, but they're super nice. So. Woo!